Okay, here's the interior wall of the basement. You can see from time to time we will get leakage in that corner there, and sometimes right across the edge there where the floor meets the wall. We get it more heavily right there. Then I'm going to walk into the next room. And it gets more intense here. So that's that. Then when it really rains very heavy, we had one downpour that this floor just became very flooded. So from that, I'm gonna say maybe 25-30 feet of that. So now we're going to go on the exterior. Okay, so this is the outside. Right there where the well is our room. And we go along the wall, and there's two drain spouts right there. And I was messing around, stuck my one camera in to try to find if there was any kind of break in the PVC pipe that's buried. Couldn't really find anything, so I did revert it to the outside, and we go past the fence, and right where that window is, that's the bathroom. Okay, now that's what the pipe looks like. Okay, now I did dig this up. There was a crack in it, but it was at the top, and I don't think that's where the water was coming from. And I just wanted to see the water flow on if it was backing up or anything. Okay, so then it slopes all the way down here. So right in here is that one middle room between our old bedroom and the bathroom. There's like a little room there, and it just slopes down where that corner is. So that's that. Now one guy said that dig this up, trench it, seal the wall, and run new drain pipe. And one guy wants to do a drain pipe all the way down here, probably before the gate or after the gate. Another guy said that he would actually do this side as well, dig it up, seal it, combine them, then run the drain pipe underneath at an angle where that lawnmower is, past that fence. So that's where we're at right now. And what I'll do is I'm going to put some measurements together, how deep the highest point, and it's going to be towards our new bedroom past this fence, to see how deep or what the deepest depth that we would have to dig. And I'm thinking probably coming out towards the house 3 feet, digging, and I'll get some measurements together. And also too, if we can avoid tearing down the fence, if we have to, we have to. But I'll measure the gate, the distance in the gate, how wide it is. All right, peace.